So what are we going to study today? We will be studying successor, predecessor, the sign of comparison, ascending order and descending order. So we are going to study number 1, successor, that means after. Number 2, predecessor, which means before. The sign of comparison, that is greater sign, lesser sign or equal sign. Ascending order, that means small to big, and descending order, that is big to small. So we will be studying about this in detail now. So let's start with successor first. Now successor means after. So how do we define it? The number that comes just after a number, is called successor. So if we take an example, supposingly 35 lakhs 18,321. So we are taking an example of it. So 35 lakh 18,321 is, comes just after 35 lakh 18,320, called successor of this number. So 35 lakh 18,321 is the successor of 35 lakh 18,320. We can also show it through addition. 35 lakh 18,321, 320. If we add 1 here, it will come 35 lakh 18,321. So we can show it through addition also. Now we'll go to predecessor, which means before. So now we are going to study about predecessor, that means before. So what do we mean by predecessor? The number that comes just before a number is called predecessor. That means before. Okay, so let's take an example. 362 is the predecessor of 46 lakh 78,600 363. We can also show it through subtraction. 46,78,363 minus 1 will give you, that is 46,78,362. So what it means, successor means after, that means plus 1. So you have to add 1 to the number. Whichever number you will be getting, you have to add 1 to the number, you will get the successor of it. Or another way, you just have to write the number that comes after it. Now what is predecessor? It means minus 1. So you just have to subtract 1 from the number given. Or you just have to write the number, that comes before the number. Is that clear? Now we will move on to the sign of comparison. Now, sign of comparison, that shows greater sign, lesser sign, or equal sign. So there are three signs to compare numbers. So first we'll start with the equal sign. So what do you mean by this equal sign? It shows that the numbers both sides have the same value. So the sign equal shows the number that you are comparing, both the numbers should have the same value. For example, shows that the both sides have the same value. Okay, for example, 36 lakh 43,251, if we compare it with 36 lakh 43,251. Now we are comparing these two numbers, that is 36 lakhs 43,251, 36 lakh 43,251. So what do you think? Both the numbers are same? Yes, both the numbers are same. So when both the numbers are same, we put equal sign. Now we'll move on to the greater sign. To the greater sign. That is, now what do you mean by the greater sign? It shows that the number on the left side has the greater value than that on the right side. So what it means, it shows that the number on the left side has a greater value than that on the right side. For example, if we take 72 lakhs 93,534 and we will compare it with 72 lakhs 45,534. Now, so this is also 72 lakhs, this is also 72 lakhs. This is 93,000 and this is 45,000. So 93,000 is greater, 45,000 is smaller. So we will put a greater sign here. Now we'll next move on to the lesser sign, which shows, what do you mean by lesser sign now? That a number on the left side has a small value than that on the right side. Now it shows that the number on the left side has a small value than that on the right side. So what's the example here? For example, 32 lakhs 51,643 compared with 32 lakhs 51,743. So which one is greater here? 32 lakhs 51,643, 32 lakhs 51,743. So 743 is greater. So we'll put a greater sign. We'll put a lesser sign of this. Now, so we have studied till now successor, predecessor and sign of comparisons. Now we'll move on to ascending order. Ascending order also means increasing order. So if you get a question, arrange in increasing order or arrange in ascending order, in both the cases the answer will be same. It means from the smallest to the greatest. Now if we take an example here, 23 lakh 63,234, 74 lakhs 86,932, 4,56,786. So I have given you three numbers here. We have to arrange this number according to the ascending order. So before starting ascending order, before you start the answer, you first have to read the question very carefully. It is 23 lakhs 63,234, 74 lakhs 86,932, 4 lakh 56,786. So what we have to do, we have to just write the first number. We just have to take the first number and we have to write the place value on the top. So the first number is 23 lakhs. So 2 is in 10 lakhs place. Second number is 70. Now 23 lakhs 63,234. So 23 lakhs meaning 2 is in 10 lakhs place. 74 lakhs 86,932. So 74, 7 falls in 10 lakhs place. 5, that is 4 lakh 56,786. So 4 falls in lakhs place. So now 10 lakh, 10 lakh and lakh. So which one is small then? We'll just write 1 here. So lakhs is small. 4,56,786 is small. So I'll write 1 here. Now these two numbers are 23 lakhs and 74 lakhs. So which one is smaller? 23,63,234 is smaller. So I'll write here 2. And 74,86,932 is biggest here. I mean greatest here. So I'll write 3. So if you write 1, 2, 3, so you will never make mistake when you're copying it down. So let's copy down. Number 1, 4,56,786. Then 23,63,234. And finally 74,86,932. So first you just have to write the place of the first number so that when you are comparing it becomes easier for you. Okay, and then write 1, 2, 3 on the top, just very small, so that you can identify the number. So when you're writing down the answers, you will never make a mistake when you're copying. Now we will move on to descending order. Now it also means decreasing order. So if you get a question, arrange numbers according to decreasing order or descending order. In both the cases, the answers will be same. It means from the greatest to the smallest. So let's take an example here. 43 lakh 63,481, 3 lakh 64,783, 74 lakh 86,932. So we have to arrange these three numbers according to descending order. Just the way we have done ascending order, the same way we will be doing descending order. But in case of ascending order, we have to arrange it from small to big. And in descending order, we will be arranging it from greatest to the smallest number. So before doing it, as we have done it in ascending order, we just have to write the place value of the first number. So this is 43,63,481. So 4 lies in 10 lakhs place. 3,64,783, 3 lies in lakhs place. And 74,86,932, here 7 also lies in 10 lakhs place. So we have 10 lakh, lakh and 10 lakh. So which one is the greatest number between these two 10 lakhs? Between these two numbers? That is 74 lakh or 43 lakh. 74 lakh is the greatest number. So I'll write 1 here. Now the second number is 43 lakh. So I'll write 2 here. And the last number is 3,64,783. So I'll write here 3. So once you write 1, 2 and 3, you can easily write down the number down without making any mistake. So let's write the answer here. So first is 74 lakh 86,932. Then comes 43 lakh 63,481 and finally 3 lakh 64,783. So in this way we have done our descending order. So students, today we have studied successor, predecessor, sign of comparison, ascending order and descending order. Make sure you go through the notes that I will be providing you after this class, and I'm also providing you 2 worksheets. Okay, worksheet 2 and worksheet 3. Now, in worksheet 2, you will be having some questions related to the class that we have just done. And in worksheet 3, you have mental maths where you will get 10 questions and you have to answer it. You have to solve the questions on your own. Is that clear?